Hey everyone, let's take a look at VS Code and how you might install an extension. In particular, we'll look at one of my favorite extensions, which is called Prettier. You'll begin by clicking the extensions icon here on the left and then typing Prettier. We want the one that's by Prettier, so Prettier by Prettier. I'll install this. And now if I have some HTML code that I might want to change, we'll just do a minor edit here. Now when I save with Command S or Control S, it reformats it for me and lines everything back up. Prettier can be a real time saver while keeping my code looking pretty. Usually that's all you have to do to set up the Prettier extension. But if you find it's not working, you may have to do what I had to do, which is go to settings.json. You can do that by holding either Control or Command, Shift P, and then selecting Preferences Open User Settings JSON, and then checking to make sure that the default formatter is set to Prettier and that JavaScript, TypeScript, and JSON all have their editor.format on save set to true.